Good morning, welcome to Planet Mojo. Today I'm going to be planting these two potted little blue stems. At first I was thinking of putting one right there and one right there, but I'm not so sure now. We have two little blue stem right there. This is big blue stem. I think it's maybe 3 plants. I'm not sure, but that's big blue stem. That'll get 6 feet, and the seed heads could go up to 10 feet. The little blue stem, which is this right here, this, and I believe there's another one back here. Yeah, the highly colored one is little blue stem as well. And it kind of looks like it's getting drowned out by this big blue stem. Yeah, I guess if I put it over this way, it's never going to be drowned out by this, because by the time this is big, the little blue stem, well, you can see over there, a little bit more mature little blue stem is at least as big as this stuff by this time of year, and it's going to get that tall. So yeah, I guess we'll put one like right here, but this other spot right here, I should put something lower, something that's going to take the place of this lily once the lily fades. So I think in this spot, I'm going to do prairie dropseed, which will end up looking like this. This is prairie dropseed right here. This, I believe, is 3 years old. And it gets, well, you can see this is pushing 4 feet in diameter and about 2 feet tall. You can see right through it though, so that should make a really good plant for that corner there. So that leaves me with one plant, and it looks pretty full right here. All of this stuff right in front here is volunteer, so I could actually put it right there. The purple coneflower is going to come and go. That's not all that important. Yeah, we got a good spot for it right there. We have plenty of little blue stem right here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them right here. This is kind of full up. Again, we have a good amount of it right here. Got 1, 2, 3 of them right here. Look at the color difference on those. Those are just natural little blue stem, and you can see the wide variety of color. That one's really green, and we got a real dark blue one here, another dark one there, and another green one back there. And we come to here. Yeah, there's just a huge hole right there. I think I'm going to put it right there. I can fill in these other spots next year. And a little bit of an update on this one. This is Twilight Zone. The ones I'm planting are Blue Heaven. And of course both varieties are very colorful varieties. Okay, we have our spots right there and right up in front. Now I'm going to go back and trim the edges of that stuff pretty good, and we'll get them in a hole. It's really not imperative that I trim this stuff off, but it's looking kind of ragged, so I really don't want this stuff dragging on the ground after I plant it. It's all pretty wilted. So we'll just cut it off. Yeah, actually, I think we're going to go a little more than that. Now, we're going to mix up a little bit of water-soluble fertilizer This, I believe it's Miracle Grow, but it could be Scott's. It's lawn food, which is basically just high nitrogen fertilizer. Let's get some water in here first. There we go. And I believe this container is about 2.5 gallons. And I'm only putting in 1 tablespoon of the lawn food, which again is just high nitrogen fertilizer. Don't want to do it full strength because we're planting here and there's going to be damaged roots, so we don't want to put too much stress on them. These coneflowers sure attract the pollinators. They're just everywhere. Okay, I'm going to show you a mature little bluestem real quick. I believe this one is Indian grass, but these are all mature little bluestems right here. It's still fairly early summer. These are going to get a good deal bigger. They'll get maybe as tall as this Indian grass right here, and then have seed heads that go up to about 6 feet. All right, we'll look at it from the road. The side oats grandma is looking really good. The entire garden is looking really good. At the end, I'll show a view looking down the garden. It's just gorgeous. Okay, the plant that's right in front of it there, that cosmos, that's not going to be there next year. That's an annual, and if anything pops up there, I'll get rid of it right away. The little bluestem, which is behind there, is going to look a lot like that one next year, except it'll be a lot more colorful because it's a colored variety. The purple love grass is almost at its best. It'll get a bit better than that. Oh yeah, I would say another 2 weeks. That's going to look gorgeous. Yeah, everything is looking really nice. And there's the other one. I'd like to get some shorter grasses in front of that, maybe side oats grandma, or maybe another grass that I don't have yet. That'll all be determined next year. Okay, that's the view looking down the garden. Just gorgeous. So, if you want to see the progress in the ditch garden, make sure you subscribe and click on the update icon. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you put them in the comment section below. And if you share the video and or give it a like, it helps the channel out greatly. Thanks for watching and have a great day.